Oh yes, fresh out of the garden. Look at these beautiful collards. And I got another surprise for you guys. Oh my goodness, that's kale. Turned out great. Now, of course, we can do a kale salad, kale chips where I bake them, add a little brown sugar. But one thing we always gotta have is my amazing all-purpose seasoning. It's great for vegetables. I'll use it in the collards, and I'll also use it if I decide to saute some kale. So happy gardening. Please be sure to order the all-purpose Pat Neely's all-purpose seasoning online. You can just Google it. It's sold everywhere, walmart.com, amazon.com. You probably get it even cheaper at smokyjoes.com. So pick up a bottle of this for these amazing vegetables. And I'm telling you, you will be in heaven.